In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write ordinal numbers with suffixes in Excel, such as sixth. This may seem like a small detail, but it's one that can make your data look much more polished and professional. Whether you're preparing a report, a presentation, or any document where you need to display ordinal numbers correctly, this guide will show you the straightforward steps to do so in Excel. So let's dive in. Firstly, I'll be using an example file to demonstrate this process clearly. It's always easier to follow along with a practical example, so feel free to use your own file or create a new spreadsheet for practice. Given that we have our Excel file open, the next step is to locate the cell where you want to input an ordinal number, such as sixth. After you've typed your number into the desired cell, you'll want to apply the superscript format to the T8th to properly format it as an ordinal number. If you're familiar with keyboard shortcuts, you can highlight the Cth and then press Ctrl plus Shift plus F. This shortcut brings up the font dialog box where several formatting options are available. Keyboard shortcuts are a fantastic way to speed up your workflow in Excel, making tasks quicker and more efficient. However, if keyboard shortcuts aren't your preference, or you'd just like to know another way to achieve the same result, Excel's got you covered. Another method to access the font dialog box is through the Home tab on the ribbon. Once you've selected your cell with the ordinal number, navigate to the Home tab. Look for the font group, where you'll see a variety of formatting options, from changing the font type to adjusting size and color. But our focus here is on the small icon in the bottom right corner of the font group. This icon, when clicked, will also open the font dialog box. It's a helpful alternative method, especially for those who prefer using the mouse over keyboard shortcuts. Now that you've got the font dialog box open using either method, it's time to apply the proper formatting. Inside this dialog, you're looking for the superscript option. Once you've found it, simply check the superscript checkbox. Making sure the T is still highlighted, your selection will ensure that these characters are formatted as a superscript, giving you the correct sixth format that is often seen in properly styled documents. After checking the box, don't forget to click OK to apply the change. This action will close the dialog box and take you back to your spreadsheet, where you'll see the T8th now neatly formatted as a superscript. And there you have it. You've successfully formatted an ordinal number in Excel. This process is not only useful for sixth, but can be applied to any ordinal number, making your spreadsheets that much more elegant and readable. It's a simple trick, but one that can make a significant difference in the presentation of your data. Before we conclude, here's a quick tip. Excel is a powerful tool with a multitude of functions and formatting capabilities. Exploring these features can not only help you work more efficiently, but can also enhance the appearance and functionality of your spreadsheets. Experiment with different formatting options and you'll find that there's a lot you can do to make your data stand out. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to write sixth and other ordinal numbers in Excel. Whether you're working on a personal project or preparing professional reports, knowing how to properly format your data is invaluable. I hope you found this guide helpful. Remember, with a bit of practice and exploration, you'll become even more proficient with Excel's many features. Happy spreadsheeting, B.